Welcome to our detailed review of ING Bank. In this video, we'll walk you through ING's terms of service, looking at everything from hidden fees to account features and customer service. ING is known for its digital-first approach, offering online banking in mobile apps for easy access. However, is this all as great as it sounds? We'll cover the pros and cons of using ING Bank, including their monthly fees, service charges, and account maintenance costs. For example, their basic current account has a standard fee of around €10 per month, and additional charges can apply for international transfers. ING's customer service is available through several channels, including their app, phone support, and online chat. But what about their response time and helpfulness? We'll discuss this in detail. We'll also cover ING's security features, which include two-factor authentication and fraud monitoring, helping you keep your account safe. When it comes to the digital banking experience, ING's app is often praised for its simplicity and functionality. But is it really the most user-friendly option out there? And what about their savings accounts and credit options? Are they competitive with other banks, or do they fall short? Overall, ING Bank offers solid features for those who want an efficient online banking experience. But there are fees and service limitations to be aware of. Is ING Bank the best option for you? Watch this video to get all the facts, and make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and stay tuned for more expert reviews.